In an era defined by constant change, the banking industry faces a myriad of challenges, from complex operational processes to the evolving expectations of the customer. Whilst bank customers suffer from long waiting times and highly complex processes, financial institutions are struggling with low profit margins and fierce competition. At SPS, we recognise the variety of challenges the banks encounter daily. Our expertise lies in navigating the complexities of operational processing, from customer service management, payment or security services, to contract lifecycle management, end-to-end credit processing, and beyond. With our finance factory, we are processing over 100 million payment receipts, around 3 million client requests, over 5 million back-office transactions, and over 14 million checks per year. Our people are the architects of our success, which is reflected in our NPS score of 80. Cultivating a culture of innovation and excellence, our on- and nearshore teams ensure world-class results. Our colleagues are trained on all our banking processes and keep continuously improving our services, resulting in over 1 million client benefits. Our dedicated teams, strategically located in Zurich, Switzerland, Waltershausen, Germany, and Zombate, Hungary, seamlessly support banking operations around the globe, 24/7 if required. In our processing centre, we serve over 200 banks globally and set standards in a competitive market environment. SPS has embraced technology and STP processing, leveraging cutting-edge AI technology such as large language models, streamlined workflows, and intelligent processing within our secure private cloud environment. We strive to become a thought leader in the industrial usage of AI across the full range of banking processes. Trust is paramount. Our processes are not only innovative, but secure and fully compliant with local data security and legislation standards. SPS, the connection where capability meets compassion and innovation intertwines with dedication. Together, we define the future of banking services, creating a harmonious blend of people, process, and technology. Join us on this transformative journey where the passion for banking meets the precision of SPS.
SPS, the power of possibility.